So this is Dr. Anil. Now we are going to be discuss a very important concept of on data notes research paper writing. So hope you guys are not aware about any like these things previously how to write the data notes research papers, because some of the journals are inviting data notes research, so you can easily write these articles. So for that we will proceed, and we will see one by one what is data notes. So in this topic we will cover what is the data notes, what are the benefits and publishing of the data notes, and how do I write the data notes and data notes template. We will see one by one. So now what is data notes, right? So if you see, data notes are the short peer reviewed article that concisely describe the research data stored in the repositories. And second one, they increase the discoverability and transparency of your research. Third one, it's help the to comply with funder mandate on the data sharing and make your data fair. So whatever the data you will share and you will submit in these, it should be the fair stand for findable, accessible, interoperable and reusable data. So now what are the benefit of publishing the data notes? So once you publishing your data notes of your research articles, you can maximize the potential of your research data through improving the discoverability, usability and reproducibility of your research. So further this data can be your reproduce. And second one is gain appropriate credit for your research data with the citable publications. So it will increase your citable also, citations also. Third one is new reach, you can reach new audience for your research once you publish the data notes. And fourth one is foster the new collaborations across the discipline by making the data which is available for everyone. So this is the all about the benefits for of publishing a data notes. Now come to the how do I write the data notes. So once you want to write the data note, your data set must be rational, portable and valid details. You should know the information about any limitations. You should give the limitations, any limitations of your data set in your research publications, and informations of on where and how to access the data set. This also you have to give as in the part of data availability statement in your research papers. And you have to give the reference to the data set using the formal word, like formally you have to cite the reference. You have to give where it is applicable, how to cite and summarize any previous publication that uses this data which is represented. So now if you see what is the anatomy, what is the structure of particular data notes research article. So first and most important thing is title page. So you need to provide clear information and description about the title page, where you can indicate who is the corresponding authors. You have to mention the abstract, where you have to decide your objective, data descriptions, and you have to concisely state why the data was collected and its potential value to the others, and provide the brief data descriptions. The maximum limitation is 200 words. Now if you see, you can give the 3 to 10 keywords in this data note articles. You have to give the objectives, tell the readers where the data came from and why it was collected, and you have to give you the introductions of your topics, and you have to give the citations and add through thoughts on how the data can be used or the valuable to the other researchers in 300 words. You have to give the complete specification detail of data, right? In 500 words you have to give the limitation as well. So now you have to give the abbreviations of your data, you have to give the declarations of your data, example from where you have to taken, and then ethical, any approval required you have to specify over there. And you have to give the references. This references maximum times for BMC part of Springer we can use vernacular core styles, and include the references to your data sets and refer to its data description. So now these are the reference where you can get the Taylor Francis data template for writing the data notes, as well as you can find out the another data notes description, data note format. So this is the all about